Hello, everyone. Making money online for beginners. Unlock your daily $900. Digital marketing for busy lifestyles. Let me show you what I've got to show you today. I want you just to listen. Hey, future legacy builders, are you ready to turn your 2-hour day into 900 daily income? Stick around. I've got some game-changing news for you. Why does it matter? For in our fast-pacing lives, time is precious. But what if I told you that digital marketing can fit seamlessly into your busy schedule? The Legacy Builder Program. What is it? The Legacy Builder Program isn't just a course. It's your ticket to financial independence. It is designed for beginners, so no worry if you are new to this at all, because I was. This is actually, you get a blueprint that is proven. Daily pay blueprint. Imagine waking up in the morning in your account every day. That's what we are talking about. Busy bee activity, time effectiveness, busy lives, no problem. Digital marketing allows you to work smart, not harder. Invest 2-hour days and watch your income grow. Automate it and thrive. Set up automatic systems, create content ahead of time, and let it work for you while you focus on other things. Action. Take action. The power is now. Remember, success loves speed. Don't wait to start today. Don't wait. Start today. The Legacy Builder Program is your launch pad. Master resale rights, and guess what? You get 100% resale rights, share opportunities with others, and earn while you learn. Earn while you learn. That was my selling point on this. I have gotten several other businesses that I've gotten going on, and my biggest thing is I needed something to teach me step by step because of my age. I'm in more in that Gen X area, and I need step-by-step instructions. And there was many things that I wanted to do. And this platform teaches me. If I never sold anything, it teaches me everything I need to know to build me a business. But you sell one of them and you've made your income. But the actual, to me, the part of it that is so amazing is your modules you're working on, they're 100% resellable. So every time you sell one, you get 100% of whatever you sold it for, and it goes straight in your bank account. It's not something that's off, but it also teaches you how to use social media, how to get in there and dig around and show you what you need to know. I mean, I've had so many times that I wasn't sure of even how to get started, but this is your way. Ready to build your legacy? Click the link below and join Legacy Builder Program. Remember, action transforms dreams into reality. Don't let this chance slip away. Your $900 a day income awaits you.